The first step in Do the Math is student placement. Teachers can use Do the Math as core support for students who are struggling with grade level work. They might choose to pick a module to support something that they're already teaching, and they might teach it just in a different way to a small group to establish some foundational knowledge. Do the Math is also used as an MTSS intervention at the supplemental or intensive level for students whose data shows that they are 1 or 2 years below grade level and are receiving MTSS interventions or are in the process of writing an MTSS intervention plan. In order to choose the place where your student will begin this intervention or this Do the Math module, we need to look at an intervention table like this one, and this is a Do the Math intervention table, which you can print out from this Canvas course. You'll see on the left side here, we have grade levels, and then in the chart next to the grade level, these are the major works of that grade level. So this would be on that grade level. So for a student who is in 3rd grade, they would be learning, every 3rd grade student at the core would be learning understanding concepts of multiplication, facts 12 by 12, and basic concepts of division. But if you had a student who was a 4th grade student in the MTSS program, you might not move horizontally to pick the module, but you might move vertically back up through the table to fill a gap in understanding. So a grade 4 student might move back from multiplication C to multiplication A or multiplication B. You might even move one level further than that, depending upon the student knowledge. So using this table, moving horizontally or vertically, depending on whether you're supporting the core or whether you are using Do the Math as an MTSS intervention. If you take a look at this chart, it shows you typically that Do the Math is a 30-minute a day intervention, 5 days a week for 6 weeks. So it's a total of 30 lessons for each one of these books. This table is helpful when you're locating materials because you can see what the cover of each of these modules looks like.